Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about how to cut an edge onto a table. Now you can do this with a table saw if you have a full-size table saw, but I have an 8-inch table saw from the late 40s. It kind of works, but not that well. And it's not big enough to do this piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a circular saw, a piece of angle iron, a square, and my neighbor's dog barking. Oh, and 2 clamps. And a piece of blocking to put underneath the table so that we don't mark up the table bottom. First thing we're going to do is determine where we're going to cut using this 0 line on this little Ryobi Trim Saw. And we're going to put our angle iron there, and we're going to take our square. Using that edge there, put it right up against that. Then we're going to sandwich our angle iron until it's straight. Check the other side. Straight. Alright. Next up, we need our clamps. You probably need a bigger piece of blocking than that. Step off camera. Another piece here. Now, double check it from this side. Make sure I didn't knock it out of square. And it looks pretty good. I don't want to cut all the way through that, so we're going to set our blade adjustment. Yeah, like that. Maybe give it a little more, make sure it cuts through. Tighten that down. Before you think I went and spent a lot of money on these tools, this is a $10 saw and a $5 blade from Harbor Freight. I actually got this off Craigslist at the end of Christmas one year. Somebody didn't want it, so they threw it for 10 bucks. It works pretty good. Anyway. And there we go. A nice parallel edge without using a table saw. This has been another Third World Garage woodworking video, and I hope it helped you.